Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm gonna talk about how to create this corner kitchen or like a wall in between. Okay, so first you can build a wall like this. Okay, build a wall like this, then you can drag this one, the hole you can drag this one. Okay, this one, the hole, or you can drag from here. Okay, doorway. Okay, you can drag from here lah. Or then later, if the door you want, you can use panel point edit to do, or you don't want, you can just use door to do also can. Okay, so we continue here. Now we start with the kitchen. Very simple method, or we just use corner based kitchen. Drag this one or the corner one. Okay, after that we'll drag two cabinet, like this. So just drag two cabinet from here. The base cabinet. Now we drag open one or drag open one, because this one don't have door lah, or you can see from the picture. Then the size we will just adjust it. Okay. Drag another one. Okay, let's say cannot automatic adjust, then we need to manually adjust it. Okay, you can go inside. Let's see here, 133. Add 113. Okay, then let's see the depth. Okay, this one change the depth 510. Okay, make them merge. This one also change the depth 510. Okay. Okay, after that on top right we're gonna do a shelf board. So this shelf board I will use this one. I'll drag from here. Special board. Let's see, got any L shelf board. L shelf board. So maybe I'm gonna use okay, seem like no two shelf board, no L shape shelf board, then we're gonna use super board lah, or we're gonna cut it. Okay, we're gonna use super board and cut the pattern. Okay, no choice. Or sometimes if the banner don't have, never mind, we can cut the pattern by ourselves. Okay. Okay, first we get the size first, 1539 on the long. This one 1313, or just drop down the number. Okay, this is the size lah. Then we drag the super board. Okay, super board, make it here first. Then I'm gonna cut it. So change the size, follow the number just now. Okay, after that click on it, click B, board selection, click on it, then right click, you may see panel point editing. Okay, first we're gonna delete the banner, then we click draw the L shape shelf board. Okay, 300 here roughly, or 300, let me count, 100, 200 and 300. Okay, somewhere here, click on it, then continue. And continue the L pattern banner. Okay, done. Okay, save. Okay, so now we just move the banner inside. Very simple, although it's a different area, but we move it first. Just use shift, use Z button, or move it 3-axis banner, move it in, so computer will recognize in the room. Okay, now they cannot recognize the room. Okay, never mind, move it in first. Hold control if can, then rotate it. Okay. Rotate it, then move up or move up. Okay, Then now we can go inside to check the distance. I'll move it a bit. I see the number. Okay, change the number. So from the floor 1500. Okay, then I use Ctrl V, copy one panel again. Here elevation at 300 so that I can put stuff, then move up again. Okay, so I need to go in. Cannot see because the wall blocking. Go in a bit. Okay, so click on here, you can see the number, or we can adjust the distance. Okay, perfect. This one adjust a bit. Okay, so down also same, this one adjust a bit. Okay, make it look perfect. Okay, no number, that means correct. If you have number, you will see gap. Okay, then repeat the step. Add 300 again, or move it up. Okay, move it out, all the way out. Then never mind, then click again, check with the number. If no number, that means everything is perfect. I see number. Okay, perfect. Then repeat another step also. We got 3 shelf only. So that's all. Then we go for skirting. Okay, this one 3 shelf board only. Go for skirting and tabletop. Select it, then click skirting. Okay, choose the pattern. Okay, change the height, change the material. So I remember it's white, then I will choose white lah. Matte lacquered white. Okay, choose. Now for the I will change it to white lah. Only tabletop is a wood texture only, so I'll change everything to white. Then tabletop. So for tabletop, just select only, same thing, go for add tabletop. Same, choose the pattern. Usually I will choose the normal one in the page 3, TM9. Yes, this one. Okay. Then I do some selection. So about the back buffer, we don't have. Okay, follow the picture, don't have back buffer. Then I will just delete the backwater routine. Click on it, delete the purple color. Okay, so you won't have backwater routine. Material, I will choose wood lah. Follow the picture. Simplify one wood texture. This one. Okay, then generate. Complete. Okay, so about the door, right? About the door here. Okay, we got few options. You can use panel point, drag superboard, open the door, then make it like this. Okay, or you also can do this method. Okay, because I'm a bit lazy, so I will use this method. Okay, I go to 2D, change this doorway to to door. Okay, so I'll change the texture to door. Okay, find a door first. I'll find a door first. Find a door that's similar to the picture. Let me see which got glass and the hole there. Still don't have. Okay, never mind. I think I'm gonna manually do it lah. Or delete this one. Drag it. Okay, you see, almost similar. Okay, then we change the pattern. Click on here. Style. Let me see. We got glass. That looks similar. Okay, I found it. This one. Okay, almost similar. Okay, got a glass there. Okay, and a rectangle also. Maybe this one also can. Okay, I'll choose this one. See? They got a lot easy method lah. You don't need to create everything by yourself. So that's all for today. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.